Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how can you make a coaster using macrame thread. If you don't have a macrame thread, then you can also use a cotton thread. Cotton thread is very cheap. You can also use jute rope. So now take your macrame rope and apply hot glue gun as shown so that it would not. After pasting it, take wooden beads, cut it from wherever you want, and put the bead inside your thread. Now twist the macrame thread and open it as shown. So your coaster is ready. You can use it multi-purposely. So now let's begin with the second DIY coaster. Take a hardboard or a cardstock and cut two circles out of it. Before pasting it, cut a circle in its middle. After cutting the circle, paste them together. Now take anything and make a circle in the middle of it and cut it out. As I said before, cut a circle before pasting them together. Make sure you cut the entire circle using a small scissor. Now for coloring it, you will be needing a skin colored paint. Paint it as shown, like from the outside of it and in the entire space. We will color it using purple color. You can color it with any color. I would like to suggest you pink or brown color. donut coaster is ready. It turned out good but not as expected. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.